Slide under the microscope and you're stepping into the remarkable world of healing, the body's architectural blueprint in action. First, identify granulation tissue, the hallmark of early healing. At low power, it appears like loose, pink staining stroma packed with delicate, newly formed capillaries. These capillaries are lined by plump endothelial cells and arranged vertically, almost like red brush strokes rising through the tissue. Zoom in and you'll see fibroblasts, spindle-shaped cells weaving collagen to build the scaffold. The nuclei are elongated, often arranged parallel to the new vessels. Interspersed are macrophages, clearing debris and secreting growth factors, coordinating the whole repair crew. In more advanced healing, you'll notice less cellularity and more collagen deposition. The pink becomes denser and more eosinophilic, indicating maturation and scar formation. Blood vessels become fewer, fibroblasts thin out, and the architecture begins to stabilize. In epithelial wounds, look for reepithelialization, squamous cells migrating over the granulation bed. At the edges, basal cells divide and crawl to seal the defect. Sometimes healing goes awry. Excess collagen may lead to keloids, thick hyalinized bundles. In chronic ulcers, the granulation tissue persists without reepithelialization. Histologically, healing tells a layered story. First inflammation, then regeneration, angiogenesis, fibroblast invasion, collagen laying, and finally remodeling. Through that lens, you're not just seeing tissue repair, you're witnessing a silent, disciplined construction project where biology becomes architecture, rebuilding life one cell at a time,